If you are wondering what is the recommended charger or power adapter for OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer is quite simple. The best choice for your OPPO Reno 15 Pro is going to be a power adapter or charger that has 80 watts at least, and also it has the Super VOOC technology. This allows you to have the fastest charging speed possible, and you can find this type of chargers for example, when looking for a power adapter on OPPO's website, on OnePlus website, and on a Realme website, or of course similar websites where you can just buy some stuff for your phones, generally speaking. So essentially, you are looking for OPPO, Realme, or OnePlus power adapter that has 80 watts and has Super VOOC power adapter technology, or just UFCS in general. Of course, if you happen to have a different power adapter, you can use up to 55 watts power adapter with PPS technology, and if you have a PD power adapter, then you can use up to, or the phone actually can use up to 13.5 watts. So yeah, I would recommend you using this type of power adapters. In my case, I have 120 watts, which is more than enough. Of course, if you happen to find a power adapter that has more than 80 watts, that's completely fine. It's gonna work just fine as well. And if you happen to have a weaker power adapter that has, for example, I don't know, like 50 watts, let's say, it's still gonna work, but it's going to take a little bit more time to charge your phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.